next thing I want to talk about was enforcing a workflow. So I'm going to stay right here with this review, and we're going to go up and talk about this template section right here, because this is going to be the main driver of our workflow. I'm going to change this template to this code review basic template that we have going on. And hopefully you guys noticed that we changed the screen that we're looking at a little bit. Before, we didn't have these fields over here, and we didn't have this checklist down here. And you can't really see it, but in the background, some rules around those participants that we just talked about, those changed as well. So now we have the ability, using these custom fields, these custom templates, and again, I created these templates, so you'll be able to create these templates yourself, you'll be able to add these custom fields yourself, create your own checklists, create your own rules around participants, or configure your rules around participants. But these are going to help us grab information from our review process. So if, let's say, we're in a regulated industry, and we needed to keep track of certain data about our code reviews throughout the code review process, having these custom fields are going to help us easily grab that data and then later report on it and provide maybe some kind of auditing to some kind of internal auditor or external auditor. Likewise with checklists, it's human nature to forget things. So it can be nice to have a checklist that will help us not only remember what should we be looking for in our code review for this style of code, but who actually looked for it, and when did they look for it. You know, it helps us enforce accountability while also making our code reviews have more value by making sure that we see or check all the things that we should be checking.